Keto Cycle Diet Plan Reviews. I ordered a keto cookbook at the same time I got this plan. I must say I'm more pleased with the plan because it tells you exactly what to eat and doesn't require any special cooking skills or tools. So far I have made several of the recipes. They are uncomplicated, quick to prepare, allow for more than one meal, and most importantly taste great. I still can't believe I'm losing weight while eating food so juicy and delicious. I highly recommend this meal plan for those who need to redirect their food choices, but can't stick to any other diet, like me. I tried keto on my own, but it wasn't a success. I decided to invest in a meal plan. Having a meal plan helps eliminate meal planning and guesswork. It really is very difficult to figure out how to choose the right, keto-friendly foods. Mostly because sugar and carbs are hidden everywhere. Almost everywhere. Anyway, I recommend this diet and hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Very easy to follow and perfect for blood sugar management. It of course, helps with weight loss a lot. Losing weight wasn't my ultimate goal, but it's nice to see the body slimming down. Especially when the diet tastes so great. Keto Cycle Meal Plan works amazingly well for me. By 5th month of using it, my glucose reading normalized, along with a high blood pressure and cholesterol. I have released 40 pounds of course. It took me a while to get comfortable with this new way of eating, but now I don't feel like going back to my old ways. I have new energy, so I go swimming 3 times per week. Swimming is something I hadn't done in decades. I also have a lot of energy to play with my dog. We take nice long walks together. I'm a much healthier and happier person.